that SPI file contains embroidery stitch patterns designed for Singer brand machines. Your needlework design digitized and ready for stitching. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these embroidery design files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust SPI file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. SPI files are embroidery design files for Singer sewing and embroidery machines. They contain stitch coordinates, thread color assignments, pattern dimensions, and machine control commands for automated embroidery production on Singer-compatible embroidery equipment. Singer SPI files use a proprietary binary format, storing absolute stitch coordinates with color stop commands and trim codes. They define the sequential needle path, including jump stitches, color changes, and pattern boundaries optimized for Singer embroidery machine firmware. The initial software setup links the SPI file directly to Embird Studio by BALARAD s.r.o. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows offers minimal interpretation of sewing designs, so proper reading depends on compatible tools. This SPI file is tricky, so let's test thoroughly. Right-click it and choose Open With. If Embird Studio is there, use it first. If not, choose a different app and continue the test. If your SPI file will not open yet, do not panic. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening the file. Install Singer Futura embroidery software, or use the free Embroidermodder software to open SPI files. Load the file to view the stitch pattern color sequence and design dimensions. Preview the design before sending to your embroidery machine for stitching. Next, converting to other formats. Use Embroidermodder or Inkstitch for Inkscape to convert SPI files to PS-DST or JEF formats for compatibility with Brother Tajima or Janome machines. Open the SPI file and export via File then Save, as selecting your target embroidery machine format. Finally, editing the design. Open the SPI file in Singer Futura or Willcome TrueSizer Free Edition to modify stitch density resize patterns, change thread colors, or add text and monograms. Save your edited design back to SPI format or export to another format for your specific embroidery machine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.